Best Etsy holiday products and trends, Christmas products, and more. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on the best holiday products on Etsy, different trends, and the best Christmas products available on Etsy. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to etsy.com and you will land right here. Etsy.com is an amazing marketplace and e-commerce where we can find products on almost anything. We will be able to find cool products, handmade products, and jewelry. We have clothing, we have home and living, different categories available on Etsy. Etsy is also a hub to a lot of gifts and different antique products. And when it comes to the holiday and event related products, Etsy has different sellers that create even custom products for us. So that's what I will show you today, how to find the best trends and the best products on Etsy for your coming holidays. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we will be searching on Etsy, and the thing that actually trends on Etsy, is going to be holiday card. So I'm going to go ahead and search for holiday cards, and it will show me all of the different products. When it comes to the holiday card, we will be able to get different sellers right here, creators that will create custom holiday cards for us. You can see right here, you can get digital products. These are going to be digital products on Etsy. So you can see we have this 12 days of Christmas card set. Then we have best Christmas, like holiday card, and you can give your family's picture to add right here. And if you're looking for a platform to create your own custom holiday cards, then Etsy is the platform for you. You can see this is a holiday card that we can get on Etsy. It's going to be customized. It's going to be a printable. There you can download the file, or you can buy this product. You can scroll down to explore more the holiday cards. You can see how amazing the artwork is here, and the products are high quality. One more thing on Etsy is that you can see all of the products are popular now. You can see now it says popular now because the holidays are upon us and everybody is looking for different products, and these are the products that are trending on Etsy nowadays. You can see this one, funny Christmas card with blankets. Okay, cool pigs with blanket, and this one is popular. Then we have this one in popular, the 12 cats of Christmas. Then there is this card. Then we have this one, and the prices are pretty low. You can see we can get this one for $3. Then we have this one for $14. Then we have this one for $14. So how cheap these are, and you can see these have amazing reviews. This one has 4,000 reviews. This one has 2,000 reviews, 15,000 reviews for this one. Pine tree note card set of 10 in white. Okay, this is really elegant, and it has 15,000 reviews, and this one has 4,000, 2,000. This is a star seller as well, best seller. Modern photo holiday card, so you can send your photo and get a card like this. So if you're looking for the on Etsy holiday cards are trending, you can go ahead and check out these products. When it comes to holidays and when it comes to Christmas, we need to buy gifts for our friends and family. So the second product trending on Etsy is the Christmas gifts. And we have a lot of different options to choose from, and cheap options as well if you are on budget and if you want to find the best product for your friends and family, but you want to stay within the budget, then you should definitely go ahead and check out Etsy. So I'm going to search for Christmas gifts, and again, you can see it says popular now because everybody is kind of like looking for these things, and these are very amazing and creative gifts that you can give to your friends, and they will remember it for the rest of their lives. We have these, you can see, personalized Christmas family ornaments. Then we have song keychain. This is really good. You can ask your friend what's their favorite song, and you can give them a keychain of the personalized. It has 9,000 reviews. This is a really creative idea to give someone a gift. Then we have for someone who has everything, and we have this like other products. Then we have some jewelry, we have socks available, and then we have rings, and then you can see different ornaments, cards, some funny gifts available. You can see bags for women, you can see, and then we have like again some cards, and then we have very creative gifts right here. So I'm gonna like check out some other products. These are Christmas related products, but if you're looking for something particular, let's say you're looking for a jewelry to give someone, then you can search for jewelry on Etsy and you will get it. You can see like how cool these are. And then we have some pendants and necklaces right here on Etsy. These are all Christmas related gifts that you can buy on Etsy for cheap prices. For example, these are just like $7, $10, and $8, under $20. This one is $18. A family tree. This is really cool. So you can see how creative gifts, handmade gifts you can find on Etsy for Christmas. The next product trending on Etsy for holidays is going to be the invitation. So if you want to invite someone over for holidays, then you can of course send them a very cool invitation. This also covers up the invitation for a party. If you want to have a New Year's party, or if you want to have a Christmas party, anything, you can create your invitations with Etsy. These are going to be the digital products that you can get with Etsy. You can customize different invitations and you can invite people over. So you can see we have New Year's invitations, we have Christmas invitations that we can create with Etsy. Again, these are going to be really cheap. You can get a really cool invitation template and you can add your information here for just like $4, $5. You can see right here $6, $7. So you can buy this product and then customize it. These are editable templates that you get with Etsy. For example, I can get this for $8 and then I can create as many invitations as I want for, my party that I'm having. So you can see just for $8, and we have a lot of different reviews. For example, 8,000 reviews. This one has 4,000 reviews. We can even invite someone for a birthday party, and you can see the invitations are always trending on the cards. Invitation cards are always trending on Etsy, so you can go ahead and check it out. The next product for holidays and especially for Christmas is going to be a Christmas sweater or a holiday sweater that you can get with Etsy. If you're looking to give somebody a gift and if you're looking for a holiday sweater for yourself, then you should definitely check out Etsy. And you can see that there is actually a sale going on Etsy for these sweaters, and winter is also coming and the Christmas is coming, and you can see right here we have this one which is like a Michael Scott Christmas jumper sweater, which is just $19. Then you can see there's a sale on a lot of products right now. You can see sales, and in 10 hours, which is like $32 this one. We have $16 for this one. We have like a pair of a personalized, you can get your name personalized on these sweaters for $31. This one is $44. We have $11. The quality of these sweaters and these products are really good, and you can see you can get customized Christmas sweaters on Etsy really easily, and you will be able to gift them to your friends and actually have a very fun and the best sweater among your family, and you can show it to your friends as well. So you can go ahead and check out Etsy.com to find the best and the trending products out there for different events, and especially for holidays and Christmas. I hope that I was a big help, and now you have an idea where to find the best products for your holidays. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.